Hey guys, Saion Gupta here, founder at 10x Coder Kids and an official Guinness record holder for the youngest computer programmer in the world. And today I'm gonna be unboxing the Arduino Revision 4 Wi-Fi that is out recently 2-3 days ago. Right, so this is very cool, the Arduino Revision 4, and let's get unboxing. Alright. So this is a Wi-Fi revision 4. It is now a 32-bit microcontroller board being previously based on 8-bit AVR. Right. So the board features 14 digital input-output ports and 6 analog channels. Right. It has a significantly larger memory. It has 8 times more flash memory, that is 256 KB, and then it has 16 times more SRAM, that is 32 KB. Alright, so I've ordered this from Robocraze, right? And it's very cool, right? So it has the fastest 48 megahertz clock speed. It is 3 times faster than its predecessors, right? It onboard ESP32 S3 module for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. There's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity in this because it is the R4 Wi-Fi, and it has 12 into 8 LED matrix, so it has a full LED matrix on it, right? So making one of the most visually unique Arduino boards to date. So it's one of the most visually unique Arduino boards, right? So the LED matrix is fully programmable, right? It's fully programmable where you can load anything from still frames to custom animations, right? So let's just open it up to look what's inside. So we can see it has come wrapped in a lot of bubble wrap, right? And here is the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board, right? So this is sealed over here, so let's just open this. All right, very cool. Next, let's just open it, and here we have the Uno Revision 4 Arduino board in our hands, right? So this is a very cool board. As you can see here, we have the LED matrix. So it's, I think it's 12 into 8 only, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 12, right? So it's a 12 into 8 LED matrix, right? And here's the reset button. Over here the white button is a reset button. Here you can see the LED matrix, and it's visually very cool, right? There are 14 input output ports, and there are 6 analog channels, right? And very cool, guys. This we got for 2600 rupees including shipment, right? So it's almost the price of the Uno Revision 3, right? And over here it shows tells also Arduino Uno Revision 4 Wi-Fi, right? So the there's a minima version in this, right, which is cheaper, and there's a Wi-Fi version which is a bit more expensive than the minima version. I ordered the Wi-Fi version. It's very cool. It's very lightweight, the Arduino, right? And it has it is a great improvement of the Revision 3, right? So very cool, guys, the Arduino Revision 4. I will suggest you to buy this, right, as it will it's backward compatible, so all your revision 3 programs will work on revision 4, right? And very cool. So this was the Arduino unboxing, and we only got the Arduino. We did not get the cables inside, so we have to order the cable through which will connect your Arduino with your computer separately, right? You'll have to order the cable separately. Otherwise the Arduino you will get for 2600 rupees, right? So very cool, guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you, guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos.